Sometimes, you may send events through WhatsApp. In this video, we'll be telling you about how to set the date and time in WhatsApp events. For this, open the WhatsApp application. After that, select the contact to which you want to send the event. For example, I'm selecting this contact. After that, here you can see a pin like button. Click on this button and select event. When you're clicking on that, you'll reach a page like this. Here, first, you need to enter the event name. After that, in this video, we're telling you about how to set the date and time. For that, here you can see the calendar option. Click on this, and here you can select the date. And after that, here you can see the time. Click on this, and you can select the time from here. After that, click on this, add any time. Click on this, and here you can select the date, and here you can select the time also. So, any time, you can also add it. After that, click on the send button. When you're clicking on that, that event will be sent. But if you've already sent that event and you want to edit it, just click on this, and here you can see the edit event option. Click on this, and from here, like before, you can edit this. Just click on this, and you can change the date, and by clicking here, you can change the time also. For example, I'm changing the send time. After that, click on this OK, and click on the send button. When you're clicking on that, that time will be edited. So, this way, you can easily set the date and time on your WhatsApp event. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.